Hello everyone, welcome to Geeta Recipes. Definitely your search for the best milk frother and finally you are on the right channel, Geeta Recipes. So before giving the reviews, I want to tell you first I have used this milk frother for 1 month and then I'm giving the reviews. Now you can decide you should buy or not. You can watch my video. I have explained about this very well. I have explained everything, the price, about the heads and totally everything I have explained in the video. So this is USB adjustable milk frother. Let's open it. So first of all, you can see it has nicely packed. The good thing is in the milk frother you can choose the color according to you, which one you like. I have chosen the black one because it is suitable for the kitchen gadgets. I like the black color for the kitchen. So the packing is very important if you are purchasing through the Amazon. So next, on the top of the packing you can see here the little instruction manual about the frother and the head dimensions. So it does come with the very beautiful and comfortable rubberized finished, so it will not slip down from your hands. So this is very comfortable. See, one more thing is here, how you can come to know this is original. This is very important here because many more copies are coming in the market same like this. You will confuse this is original or the duplicate because duplicate is not working well. The heads are not working well. So everything I will explain in the video. Please keep watching. I will show you next in the video how to use this whisker for the all small kitchen purposes. So this is the other type of the attachment here for the beating the coffee or the milk. You know what I like in the frother? It does not need batteries. It comes with a micro USB charging cable. You could see your own. This is not any special charger. This is a normal, like if you have the Samsung phone, you can use that one also for the charging your frother. The both attachments are here. It's really very easy to attach or detach. These both attachments you can wash very easily, but don't try to wash the body because it has a charging inside. Just normally you can wash this with a few drops of the water, with the wet tissue, with the dry tissue. It has 3 LED indicators here to speed up the frother. The second thing, you please notice here, it indicates with the blue lights. As I told you, many more frothers same like this coming in the markets that are duplicate. Some frothers are coming with the red light. This one is a really good that I'm using here. And one more thing is here, different from the other frother. If you want to move frother speed one level to the another level, you have to press the button twice. Usually in the other products what is happening, it works by the single click only or it changes the speed level. So as I told you, first I have used this before giving the reviews of this frother. See, still I did not charge it. I'm using this twice a day, every day. The charging power is excellent here. No need to charge this again and again. You can just charge this once a month. So now let's talk about the other head, that is a egg beater you can say. So I'm not using here egg, I'm using here this one yogurt. I will show you how to beat with this shaker. I will show you how to do with this head. See, I took here a small bowl with the yogurt and I'm going to beat this. See, definitely if you are taking the yogurt, egg with a small bowl, you are beating this with a small bowl, it will spill out. See, I have given you the example here, it spilled out everywhere around me. So don't use with the small bowl. If you want to beat anything, if you want to beat the egg, if you want to beat the milk, the coffee with this head, then please take a big bowl or a glass like I'm using this glass. I will show you, I'm putting the head into it. So keep in mind, if you want to use this head with the frother, take a glass and then beat and then use it. It will definitely work. So according to me, this one is the best milk frother or the coffee beater with the reasonable price. If you want the link to purchase this, the link I'm giving you in the description, you can check it from there. And I hope you like my video, the way of the explanation about the product. If you like the video, then please give me thumbs up on my video and subscribe my channel for the further product reviews. So see you in next product review.